You ready?
Yep.
Hello, welcome to Fuzzy Labs. I'm Tom.
And I'm Matt.
And this is the second part in our AI for your feet series, where we're taking some commodity hardware that we've shipped in from China, gaffer taped it to our shoes, and we're going to do something clever with it to show what you can do with artificial intelligence in the cloud. So in the first series, if you've watched that, it's on YouTube by the way, so have a look. Matt gave a demo of what the hardware was and how it connected together. And since then, we've been doing a bit of work on the software. And Matt, do you want to tell us a bit about that?
Right, so on the device itself, we have some code which is reading from these pressure sensors, which we explained in the previous video. Now, what we've added is this ability to read those pressure sensors over Bluetooth on your phone. So we can now display the pressure readings on various points on the insole on the phone, and you can have a look and see how you're moving, how you're distributing your weight. And for instance, if you're doing squats, then it can tell you whether you're keeping your weight on your heel or whether you're pushing it to the front of your foot.
Sounds like a good application. So where are you at with the software then? I've seen you've been hacking around with Android this week a bit.
Yes, there has been a lot of Android hacking, and to be honest, I'm not really an Android developer. I've never done this before. But it was reasonably easy to get started, to pull together the right bits to visualize it and get data from Bluetooth. The next bit would be to have a little bit of intelligence on the phone itself. So one example is guided physiotherapy. Suppose that you go to your physiotherapist and they show you how to perform a set of exercises that are tailored towards your needs. What you'd then like to do is go home and see the recording on your phone, perform the same exercises, and see how far off you are from what the physiotherapist showed you. Now, we are missing one component from this system which will enable us to do that, and that's an accelerometer, so that we can see where the shoe is oriented in space.
Right. Okay. So just going back to the software for a minute, I think we're going to do a demo of it, so we'll show that. We'll probably cut into that shortly. Here you go. You're walking towards us. And action. And what we're seeing on the phone now?
What you should be seeing is weight being moved from my heel to the front of my foot, back to the heel, back to the front, and we'll be able to determine whether, for example, I have an inward pronation or an outward pronation, which means that I'm placing either too much weight on the inside of my foot or the outside of my foot, both of which can lead to other muscular problems elsewhere in the body.
Okay, Matt, so what's next with this shoe?
Well, right now we have the pressure sensor data on the device.
Yep.
We have the pressure sensor data on the phone.
Yep.
The next step is to get that data off of the phone out to the cloud. And the reason we want to do that is because whereas right now I can see my own data, I can't compare myself to other people.
Right.
So if we can get it out into a cloud environment, we can start to make those comparisons, we can build intelligent models and do all sorts of fun things.
Right. And we're going to need some more data from other people then to do those comparisons, aren't we?
Yes, yes.
So we're looking for some volunteers to come and try these shoes out.
Yep.
Do some squats, do some dancing. We'll evaluate your pressure and put it up in the cloud.
Yes, you have to provide your own shoes, but we provide the hardware.
And the masking tape.
We provide the masking tape as well, yes.
Yeah, okay. And you're doing a talk on this soon?
Yes, I am speaking at MankML on the 17th of October.
Right.
And there will be a demo and
So it's got to work for them?
Oh, otherwise
you're on stage.
I like to work to a deadline.
You do?
I definitely like to light a fire.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Great. Right, well, thanks for that. And for the next one, we'll be back with hopefully some working software in the cloud and some machine learning. Thanks very much. See you next time.
Bye-bye. If I keep my hands underneath the table like that, that's alright, isn't it?
Yeah.
Not bad.
Right, hello. We're back. Welcome to Fuzzy Labs. I'm Tom.
Can you do that again, because I'm doing my nose thing?
Matt was scratching his nose. Okay, Matt, so,
Do it again. Start again.
what are we saying? What's next?
Start again.
You start again. Okay, Matt. Oh, okay, oh.
Okay, Matt, so what's next? Bye-bye.
Well done, Matthew. I think we'll say that's a wrap.